Now we can solve 3 into 3 matrix by Martin's rule, that is 4x plus 2y, 4x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 2x plus y plus z, y plus z equals to 1, 3x plus y minus 2z equals to 5. This is 3 into 3. We can write here as matrix. A is 4, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, minus 2. That is coefficient of x, y, z, that is A. B equals to 215, that is 215, x equals to x, y, z. You can write third bracket or first bracket, that is same method, x equals to A inverse B. We can get x means capital X means x, y, z. So first you have to get A inverse. A inverse is 1 by mod A adjoint of A. How could I get adjoint of A? Adjoint of A, first you get mod A. So mod A equals to, you have to get this. 4, first you get 4, this into this minus this into this, that is minus 2 minus 1. Minus 2, this into this is minus 2 minus 1. Then minus 2. 2 you have to hide this and this. Minus 2, this into this, that is minus 2 minus 3. Then 5 and 3, this into this minus this into this, that is 1 minus 3, that is 4 into minus 3 minus 2 into minus 5 plus 2, 3 into minus 2, that is minus 12 plus 10 minus 6, that is minus 18 plus 10, that is minus 8. So mod A value minus 8, that is not equal to 0. So here mod A equals to minus 8. Keep it. We have to put the adjoint of 8 you have to get. I am telling again, how could you get mod A? To get mod A, first you hide this and this. So 4 in this height, this into this minus this into this, then minus 2, this into this minus this into this, then 3 this into this minus this into this, that is minus. Now we getting adjoint of A. Mod A value is this. Now getting adjoint of A. ADJ, then we getting this. This should be the matrix. Small cofactors should be like this. Small cofactors. Then plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. This to the power transpose. Now I am telling, first you have to hide first row, first column. Then first row cut 1, 1, 1 minus 2. That is, first hide this and this, 1, 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 1, 1 minus 2. Then hide this, 1, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 1, 3 minus 2. Then hide this, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1. Then second column hide, second row hide first column, 2, 3, 1 minus 2, 2, 3, 1 minus 2. Then hide this first column, then second column, 4, 3, 3 minus 2, 4, 3, 3 minus 2. Then third column, 4, 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. Then third row hide first column, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2 3 1 1. Then second column 4 3 1 2 3 1 1 4 3 1 1 4 3 1 1. Third column 4 2 1 1 4 2 1 1. This is small cofactor. Then this equals to minus 2, this into this, minus this into this. Then minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Then minus 2, this into this, this into the minus 2 minus 5, then minus 5 minus plus 5, that is 5. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Then minus 4 minus 3 minus 7, outside is minus, that is plus 7. Minus 8 minus 9 minus 17. 4 minus 6, that is 2, that is minus 2. This should be power transport. Then 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 4 minus 1, outside is minus, that is plus 1. 4 minus 2, that is 2. So minus 3, 5 minus 2, 7 minus 17, 7 minus 17, 4 minus 2, this should be plus 2. 4 minus 6 is minus 2, and outside is minus, plus 2. Then minus 1 minus 1 2. These two transpose. Now we that equals to, this transpose should be eliminate, transpose. Then we can, row should be converted to column. Minus 3 5 minus 2 7 minus 17 1 minus 2 2 7 minus 17 1 minus 2. First row, second, so minus 1, sorry, this is minus 1 1 2. Transpose, convert transport, we convert, row should be convert to column, that is minus 3 7 minus 1 5 minus 17 1 minus 2 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 2 minus 2 minus 2 2 2 minus 2 2 2. That is A inverse adjoint of A. This is adjoint of A. A B J A. We got adjoint of A is this. The A inverse is 1 by mod A is minus 8 into adjoint of A is this, minus 3 7 minus 1 5 minus 17 1 minus 2 2 2. A inverse, this is A inverse x, therefore x equals to, A inverse is this, therefore x equals to, then x equals, this is A inverse into B. B is this 2 1 5. Then you have to multiply minus 1 by 8. Now this row with column, minus 6 plus 7 minus 5, minus 6 plus 7 minus 5. This row with this column, 10 plus 17 plus 5, 10 plus 17 plus 5, minus 4 2 plus 2 plus 10, that equals to 1 by 8. 7 minus 11, that is minus 4. This is 12 plus 17 29. This is 12 minus 4 is 8. Theta minus 1 by 8. So here answer is minus 1 by 8. That is, therefore x equals to minus 4 into minus 1 by 8, that is half. Y equals to 29 minus 29 by 8, and z equals to minus 1. This is your solution. I think 17 27 are 5. 32, this should be 32, that is minus 4. The value of y is minus 4. 8, 10 plus 17 plus 5, 10 plus 52, minus 4 plus 2 plus 10, minus 4 plus 2 plus 10. So answer is coming minus 4, the minus, okay, this is minus 5, 7, 5, no, this is 5, 5 minus 17, minus 17, 5 minus 17, 1 minus 2, okay, minus 17. So 5 to the 10, it is minus 17. So 15 minus 17, 15 minus 17, 17 is 15 minus 2, minus 10 plus 17 plus 5. 5 to the 10 minus 17 plus 5. 10 should be minus 5. 5 minus 17 minus 5. 5 minus 17 minus 1. That is 5 minus 17 minus 1. 5 minus 17 minus 1. The mistake হয়ে গেছে, এটা minus 5. So minus 12, it should be minus 12. That is 12 by 8. 12 by 8, 4, 3, 3 by 2. It should be 3 by 2. So this is your answer. Okay.